In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a navigation sidebar on a Notion page. To get started, open the Notion page where you want your sidebar to appear. This works especially well on pages that have a lot of content, because a sidebar can make everything feel more organized and easier to move through at a glance. Once you are on the page, type /column and choose the option for 2 columns. This will split your page into 2 side-by-side sections, giving you one area for navigation and the other area for your main content. Next, move your cursor between the 2 columns until you see the vertical handle appear. When you see it, click and drag it toward the left. The goal here is to make the left column narrower, since that smaller space will become your sidebar. Keeping it narrow helps it feel clean and intentional, while leaving the right side open for the main body of your page. Try not to make it too small though, because you still want enough room for your links and icons to display clearly. Now click inside the left column and type /callout to insert a callout block. This will act as the visual header for your navigation area. Choose a simple, clean icon, such as a list or a compass, and then add a title like navigation. Using a clear heading here helps define the purpose of the sidebar right away, especially if you are building a workspace that you'll return to often. If you want to make the sidebar stand out a bit more, you can optionally customize the callout block. Select it, click the 6-dot handle and change the color to give it a contrasting background. This small design touch can make the sidebar easier to spot, and can also help your page feel more polished and structured. After that, click on the line directly below the callout box. Type /page to create subpage blocks for the sections you want to include in your navigation. For example, you might create pages for dashboard, tasks, or notes. As you add each one, give it a clear name so it's instantly obvious where each link will take you. You can also assign a custom icon to each page for a little extra visual appeal. Icons can make scanning your navigation faster, and can help each section feel distinct. Once your links are in place, your Notion page will have a simple, functional sidebar that makes navigation much easier. Thanks for watching.